Hey guys, this is Ray Cline here with Mike Grindele. How you doing, Mike?
I'm doing great, Ray. How about yourself?
Good, good, good. So, Mike, I've got this situation, and I wanted to kind of showcase the power of what the AnyWare Cloud can do. So, we did a certification job a couple weeks ago
Uh-huh.
for a customer, and we had to certify 370 plus odd cables, and we chose the wrong standard accidentally because we were doing it from the device, not the AnyWare Cloud. So, I think we might have just accidentally clicked the wrong button.
On your test limit on your AnyWare Cloud here, I can see it's class EA. So that's a
Yep.
European standard that was accidentally selected. Okay, I got you.
Yeah. So, is there any chance that we can recertify everything to TIA standards easily and pretty straightforward?
Absolutely. So mentioned this before. With the speed that we have in this tester, we take all measurements for all standards up to 500 megahertz. Therefore, we have that data. If you select 5E to 100 megahertz, we went ahead and ran the data all the way to 500 megahertz. So you can simply apply another standard and limit to the data set and get you a pass-fail there. So let's
Cool.
try it out in this example.
Okay.
So what you want to do, Ray, is select all of the cables in this view here by clicking on that box.
Okay. So that's going to give me 100 cables because that's what's in this view.
Okay, fantastic. Now, when you clicked on that box, I don't know if you guys noticed, but the orange buttons up at the top expanded, and the fourth one over is now Recertify.
Got it.
So you click on that, select your test standard, and I believe you want to go TIA 6A. Is that right?
Yeah. Boy, there's a lot. We've got we're gonna have to go into a total video on what all of these things are. There's a lot of stuff. But yeah,
Oh
let's
yeah.
just choose ANSI.
Yep. Permanent link.
Yep, we're gonna keep permanent link because that's what we had, and our test limit is gonna be 6A because these are all 6A cables.
That's it. Click Recertify, Ray.
There's no way this is this easy.
Now we have 100 going on here. I don't know if that's going to take us, 3 seconds or 3 minutes. So the Microsoft, the cloud is built on Microsoft Azure platform. So we have what we call a +1 technology. So we always try to keep ahead of however many people are using it for the speed that we want. We always try to get one more processor there.
I gotcha.
So, while it's doing this, let's go ahead and create a new folder. I don't want to delete your old results. So this is the BAPS, the VAPS.
Yep.
So on the AnyWare Explorer, we call this full job management in the cloud. If you right mouse click on VAPS there and add, I don't care, a building floor, room rack panel, it does not matter. And
Okay.
let's call this new or recertified, whatever you want to, for something.
Okay.
Save. And for time's sake, for this video, under test name, you already have the filter selected in your main. So let's go ahead and type in the RC right here. So what we're doing is we're filtering. I just want to get all of the RCs out here. So we add an RC to signify that it has been recertified. We have a global find and replace function. We can pull this RC out and do some other things with it. But for right now, the file, we got 44 actually.
44. Okay.
Yeah, the others will come in a minute. We'll pull them over later because we're about to move them out of this folder. So it'll be super simple. So next to your 44 at the top, when you have that button selected, let's see, yeah, right there. So that's the file handle. So if you grab that and drag it over to under ReCert report, there you go, let it go. So we've just moved all of those over, and you can see that you now have a dividing line here in your report. So now while we're here, you're still waiting for a few others to come through. That's fine. But you can right mouse click on Restart Report. And from here, you can just create a report from here. You don't have to, do the entire thing.
Okay.
If you wanted to keep that. So that's just another little trick there. But yeah, you can go into any of these results if you want now and take a look at them. But at the end of the day, this is what recertification is all about. If you go and scroll down right here to near end crosstalk, the second box, and look at the little chevron on the right. If you click on that, So the standard that you had selected, here's just a nice example. If you had selected Cat 5e, for example, you would see this limit line stop. The limit line is the red line on top. You'd see
Yep.
it stop at 100 megahertz, but you'd see all that data all the way out there to 500. If you selected Cat 6, the limit line would have stopped at 250 megahertz, right? And the limit actually moves up and down depending on the standard. So the recertification is not saying, hey, you had this much headroom, so you should be okay if you went up to a higher standard. Recertification is actually taking the data and applying a new limit to it. So it's simple, it works, and there you go. That's how you recertify.
That was insanely easy, Mike. And
I know, right? It's awesome.
that's powerful. So I think the next video we should do is talk about the certification types, maybe, and we can make a quick video on that. And I think it would be good for everybody.
Sounds good. I'm looking forward to it.
All right, Mike. Thank you so much for your help. I appreciate it.
All right. Take care, Ray.
All right.